Well, the balancing joker is a fun balancing toy. All you require is a old slipper, make a face, round face, and then have two small rubber pieces with heavy steel nuts embedded in them. You will also require two skewers. Now make a face in the round rubber and put a small piece of the toothpick, which will be the pivot. Now in two holes, put two skewers, long ones, and in the end of these you fix the pieces of the rubber with two heavy metal nuts. This will give it long and heavy arms. Now take a bottle filled with water, the heavy bottle would be slightly more stable, and perch the joker, the tip of the toothpick, and if you give it a little jerk on one side, well, it's just going to wobble a little bit and then again it will come back to a equilibrium. This is because of the long and heavy arms. You can also give this joker a spin and it will keep rotating round and round in a very funny manner. It's great fun for little children to play with this very lovely and simple balancing toy.